Listen, you might not like hearing this, but with all the opportunities online right now, there's really no excuse not to be making at least $1,000 per month with a side hustle. The truth is, money is everywhere, especially online. And even if most online business models actually work, no one really tells you about the real challenges and what it actually takes to succeed. An online business can be incredibly profitable or a total waste of time if you're not fully aware of how difficult it really is. That's why this video is here to save you time and money by breaking down the 5 best online business opportunities to start now, whether you're a student or already have a job. The goal is to help you figure out which one actually fits you according to your skills and the time you're willing to invest. So to make it easier for each one, I'll rate them out of 5 in 3 key areas: how long it takes to learn, how much money you need to get started, and how hard it is to reach $1,000 per month. Side hustle number 1, faceless YouTube channel. YouTube is a goldmine right now. And no, you don't need a fancy camera studio or to show your face. Trust me, I know what I'm talking about. The concept is simple. Create content around a popular niche like gaming, true crime, self-development, and package it the right way. If you manage to create videos that grab attention and keep people watching, YouTube will push your content to more and more viewers, and that's when your channel can blow up exponentially. A great example is the channel Beginning to Now. They create faceless videos about history with content mostly generated with AI. And what is crazy is that with just 10 videos, they've already hit over 100,000 subscribers, pulling in hundreds of thousands of views per video. And because their content is evergreen, meaning it stays relevant over time, it keeps making money passively month after month. And they're estimated to be earning around $7,000 per month just from ad revenue. Now, it might seem easy on the surface, but there's more to it than just posting videos. Creating content that actually keeps people watching by understanding how to make a good hook, understanding the YouTube algorithm, and editing takes time and effort, especially if you want to stand out. I'd give it a solid 3 out of 5. It's manageable, but you'll need to put in the work to really master it. And what makes this business so accessible is that you don't need a big budget to get started. Thanks to AI tools, you can handle everything from writing scripts to generating voiceovers, either for free or at a very low cost. The key here is consistency. The more videos you post, the more chances you have to go viral. And what's even more powerful is that your videos don't just pay you once. Once they're online, they can continue to bring in views and generate income for months or even years after you've posted them. So in terms of money needed, you can easily start with free tools and upgrade later. So that's a 2 out of 5. But how do you make money with this? Well, there are 3 solid ways to monetize your channel. First, the ad revenue. Once your channel is monetized, meaning you've reached 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, YouTube starts placing ads on your videos and you get paid for every view. Now, to really understand how much money you can make, there are 2 key metrics you need to know. The first is CPM. That's what advertisers pay per 1,000 views on your video. The second is RPM, and that's the amount of money you actually receive as a creator for every 1,000 total views on your channel after YouTube takes its cut. RPM can vary a lot depending on your niche, your audience's location, and how long people watch your videos. But to give you an idea, most channels earn somewhere between $2 to $10 RPM, and in high-paying niches like finance or tech, it can go way higher. I have compiled and ranked different niches according to their CPM, so feel free to pause the video and take a screenshot. Another great way to monetize is through affiliate links. Let's say you have a channel about tech. You can recommend gadgets or software you actually use, and when someone buys through your link, you receive a commission. And this exact principle works in tons of different niches. Third, as your audience grows, brands may reach out to collaborate with you. They'll pay you to showcase their products to your viewers, and your earnings here can vary widely. It depends on the brand, your niche, your audience size, and how engaged your followers are. Some deals might pay a few $100s, others thousands per collaboration, especially if your content aligns with the brand's market. Given all the ways you can monetize a channel, hitting $1,000 per month is absolutely achievable, but it won't happen overnight. It takes consistent effort, so I'd rate the difficulty at 3 out of 5. The second side business you can start is Kindle Direct Publishing. And what is it? It's basically writing a book and publishing it through Amazon KDP. Now, don't worry, you don't need to write a 300-page novel. This works incredibly well with low-content books like journals, planners, adult coloring books, or even funny niche books. Let me give you a concrete example. If there's a subject you know well or a skill you've already developed, you can easily turn that into a book and publish it on Amazon. There are always people out there looking for guidance, and if you have experience or knowledge, even on a specific topic, you can create something valuable that helps others. It doesn't have to be complicated. Today, you can write a professional-looking book and design a clean, eye-catching cover, even if you have zero design skills. Tools like Canva make it super easy, and this applies to almost any field, whether it's fitness, marketing, personal finance, cooking, or photography. There are millions of people who are searching for help and information every day. So if you have knowledge or even just a strong passion for a topic, why not turn it into a book, publish it, and start earning from something you already know? The process is very accessible. I'd rate the time it takes at 1 out of 5. You'll need to learn how to properly format your book and upload it to Amazon, but there are plenty of free tutorials that guide you step by step, making it easy even if you're starting from scratch. I actually wrote an ebook all by myself, and trust me, I'm not a writer and I have zero design skills. So if I managed to do it, you can do it too. And I could have easily monetized this ebook, but I'm just giving it away for free. The link is in the description if you want to check it out or grab some inspiration for your own project. Once your book is live on Amazon, you can promote it for free using the viral potential of TikTok. If you search for hashtags like Amazon KDP or self-publishing, you'll see tons of people promoting their books with short videos. Look for videos that go viral and adapt the format to your content, then repeat the formula over and over. Once you have a sale, you don't even need to handle printing or shipping. Amazon does it all for you. As for money needed, this one's very beginner friendly. I'd rate it 1 out of 5. You can create the book yourself, design the cover with free tools like Canva, and publish on KDP without paying anything up front. Now, when it comes to how hard it is to reach $1,000 per month, I'd say it's a 3 out of 5. If you create a quality book and promote it consistently, especially on TikTok, it's absolutely realistic. All it takes is one viral video. That said, because profit per book is usually low, you'll need to compensate with volume, meaning more sales, or increase customer lifetime value by creating additional books, guides, or related content that keep your audience coming back for more. The third business is TikTok Live Shop, and that's blowing up right now. Here's how it works. You go live on TikTok, promote a product, and earn commissions every time someone buys through your live. What makes this so powerful is that TikTok is no longer just about entertainment and scrolling. Now it's also about buying directly from the app. No need to send viewers to an external website. With just one swipe, they can complete the purchase. Everything happens inside TikTok. No friction, no distractions, just impulse-driven buying. It's kind of like the modern version of TV shopping, but way more engaging. Viewers watch in real time, ask questions, see demos, and most importantly, buy on the spot. And when someone buys through your live stream, you earn a commission, usually between 2% and 8%, depending on the product. In countries like China, where live shopping is already huge, 38% of social media users have bought something directly through a live stream. And this method now represents 14% of total online sales. That's massive. So whether you want to promote products from other brands or even launch your own product line, this is a huge opportunity, especially right now when the competition is still low and the potential is huge. In terms of time, I'd rate this business 2 out of 5 across the board. It's nothing too complicated, but you will need to learn how to present products effectively and how to engage viewers in real time. For the money needed, I'd give it a 1 out of 5. You might need to invest in a ring light or a basic setup to improve your live stream quality, but overall the costs are pretty low, especially since you don't need to hold inventory if you're promoting other people's products. As for how hard it is to reach $1,000 per month, again, it's a 1 out of 5. Thanks to TikTok's huge potential for virality, you can attract a large audience organically without spending money on ads. And if you're at ease on live and can create a fun, engaging vibe, it's one of the best opportunities right now in terms of time invested compared to the potential return. The fourth business is affiliate marketing. Let's break this one down simply. Affiliate marketing is the act of promoting someone else's product or service to an audience, and when someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. You don't have to create a product, handle shipping, or deal with customer service. Your only job is to recommend and earn. Here's how it works. A company offers a product. It could be physical, digital, or a service. You join their affiliate program, either directly on their website or through platforms like Amazon Affiliate, and you get a unique link for that product. Now, whenever someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you get paid a percentage of the sale. That's your commission. For example, let's say you're into fitness and promote a treadmill through Amazon's affiliate program. Premium treadmill can cost around $1,000. And Amazon can pay up to 4% commission on fitness equipment. So if someone buys that treadmill through your link, you'd earn $40 per sale, and that's just for a single product. Now imagine promoting multiple items in your niche. Those commissions add up fast. But how to make sales? The strategy here is to create content that attracts people who are already interested in what you're promoting. You can do this on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or even through a blog. At first, I recommend focusing on just one platform. Pick the one where you're most comfortable. Don't spread yourself too thin trying to be everywhere. Once you start getting traction and growing an audience, you can expand to other platforms and multiply your reach. Now, if you're shy or don't want to show your face, no problem. Affiliate marketing can work faceless too. You can run a niche Instagram page, a blog, or even a faceless YouTube channel reviewing products. If you're fine being on camera, great. It's easier to build trust and convert your audience. A lot of people think you need tons of followers to make money with affiliate marketing, but that's not true. What really matters is being in a niche with an audience that actually needs the product you're promoting. In fact, the more specific your niche, the better your chances of making sales, because people trust people seen as an expert in their field. Let's say you have a YouTube channel or blog about video production. You can talk about different cameras, lighting gear, editing software, give your opinion, show tutorials, compare new products, and in every video or post, you include your affiliate links. If you're not sure whether a product or brand has an affiliate program, just Google the name of the product followed by affiliate program. If they have one, sign up, and while you're at it, check the commission rates. Some brands pay 5%, 10%, even 30% or more, depending on the product. The real strength of affiliate marketing is that once your content is out there, it keeps working for you. One good video or article can keep generating commissions for months, even years, especially if it's a product people are always looking for. To wrap it up, affiliate marketing is a business model that's accessible to anyone. You don't need to create your own product. And with platforms like Amazon, it's easy to get started. But in terms of the time, I'd give it a 3 out of 5 because you'll need to learn how to create content that actually drives clicks and sales. But once you understand your audience, it becomes much easier. For money needed, it's a clear 1 out of 5. You can literally start with zero budget using free tools and platforms to promote products. Now, when it comes to making your first $1,000 per month, I'd say it's also a 3 out of 5. It's definitely possible, but you'll need to be consistent, choose the right niche, and create content that actually helps people make purchase decisions. Once you get the hang of it, affiliate marketing can become a scalable and long-term income stream, one that continues to grow with your audience and content library. All right, now let's talk about the last business idea. And in my opinion, it's also the best one if you're thinking long-term and want to build real freedom. I'm talking about dropshipping. For those who don't know, dropshipping is when you sell physical products online, but instead of holding inventory, your supplier ships the product directly to your customer. You never touch the product. You just focus on finding customers and driving sales through your own website to maximize your profits. Now, this business isn't for everyone. It's more suited to people who want to go further and who want to build something solid. Because the truth is, with dropshipping, there's no limit. You can make $10,000 a month, $50,000, $100,000, or even more. It all depends on how much effort you're willing to put in and how you scale. Of course, you'll need to learn how to find the right niche, build your store, set up your marketing, work with suppliers, and earn customer trust. But here's why it's such a huge opportunity. Dropshipping is a business that's highly scalable and very profitable, and when you've built a full ecosystem, this business can make money even while you sleep. Compare that to something like TikTok Live Shop, which we talked about earlier and which is a great way to earn quick cash, but the moment you stop going live, the income stops too. And on top of that, you're not really building a business. You're just monetizing your time. With dropshipping, you're not just earning money, you're also building an asset. A store that performs well with consistent traffic and sales can be sold later for 5 or 6 figures. For those who saw my first video, you already know that this is the business model that made me my first million, so I know firsthand how powerful it is. But let's talk about the difficulty. I won't lie, there's a lot to learn. Product research, website setup, marketing, customer service. So I'd rate the time to learn at 5 out of 5. But honestly, it's worth every second because the long-term payoff is massive. As for the money needed, you can actually start with less than $50 using free traffic methods. One of the best long-term strategies is SEO, which is basically about creating content that targets specific keywords to rank on Google and bring visitors to your site for free. You can check out my video on how to create an SEO-optimized dropshipping store. It should pop up somewhere here on the screen. The only thing is, SEO takes time. It can take several months before you see real results. But here's where things get interesting. Thanks to TikTok and its viral potential, you can start getting traffic in just a few days. By filming and posting short, engaging videos about your products or niche, it's possible to go viral quickly and bring thousands of potential customers to your store fast and for free. So it's a 2 out of 5. Finally, when it comes to making $1,000 per month, I'd give it a 1 out of 5 in difficulty. Not because it's easy, but because this business has no income ceiling. Once it works, it scales fast, depending on your niche and your execution. With all these different ways to make money online, you should be able to find at least one that fits your skills, your goals, and the time you're willing to invest. And I'm curious to know, what's your business idea? Would you go with one of the ideas I shared today, or do you have another one in mind? Don't hesitate to share it. It might give others some inspiration too. Thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next one.